Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you the basic options of your sheet on your Smartsheet account. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do simply we need to go to our account, and after going to the account, we have to open our sheet. And after opening the sheet, as you can see, for example, I'm going to write a simple word like smart. And as you can see, I'm going to select this. And as you can see now, the basic options are provided. If you want to make it bold and italic and underline, these all options are provided. If you want to increase the size, I'm going to increase the size like this. So as you can see now, the size increased, and the alignments are also provided here. You can also change your alignments as well. As you can see now, the wrap text is also provided here, and the clear format. These all options are similar to your MS Word options. You can use them, which are very easy to use. And if you want to more options, you have to click on this, and as you can see, you will be able to see the more different options which can be useful for you guys. If you want to insert an image, you can also do that. Simply you have to click on the insert image, and after clicking on this, now you have to click on the upload file, and after that your image will be inserted. So in this way you can use the basic options of your Smartsheet account. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.